Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. So in this course we are going to discuss about the set style sheet. So this style sheet, its function, or this is a class which allows you to customize the appearance of a widget or of the widget. So as you can see here, we are having some features on our window. So we are having a command button here, or a push button. We are having a label here saying Wakanda Forever, and we are having a digital time that we have put in place on our application. So what we need to do, we need to style this window, to add a color, a background color, to format the text, to do some styling on our application. So to do so, we use what we call a set style sheet. So let us stop this and go back to our code. So what we need to start by styling is our QMain window, the background of our main window. So let us come here on line 13, then let us style it. So let us call our self, so self dot, now let us say set style sheet, set style sheet, then open bracket or parenthesis, then we put quotations. Then after doing so, you have to call class or the widget that you want to put style on. So I need to put Q main window widget, this class or this widget. I need to manipulate this class. So now I'm writing Q main window. So Q main window is our window. So this is what I need to style. Then open curly braces. After opening curly braces, what I need is to put a background color. And the background color that I need to put, I'm going to put orange. So if you need to put a blue color, a green color, it's up to you. But in this video, I'm going to put a orange background color. If I run this, I should be able to see a orange background color, as you can see. So I've put orange, but if you need blue, if you need black, brown, whatever it is, you can still choose the color that you prefer. It's up to you. So you just add, for example, let us do together. Let us say red. Okay, just type the color that you prefer, then it happened. So now, in order for this lesson, I'm going to use orange for the sake of for the learning purpose, orange color. So what I need also to do, I need also to style my label here. So let us go on our label here, press enter. Let us call our label variable. So label dot set style sheet. Then we call the Q label. Okay, so you put quotation first, then you call the label that you want. Okay, it's our Q label. So this is the name of the class. So it's Q label. Then we open curly braces like this. After opening curly braces, what I need with this Q label, Wakanda Forever, I want to put a default font size. So let us say font minus size. And the font size that I'm going to put, let us try 18 points. Okay, 18 points. That's the font size that I'm going to put. Let's see. Okay, then so what we need to do is to manipulate our push button here. We need to style our push button. So let us go down here. Then let us press enter. Then self dot our button, our variable dot set style sheet. Then let us call our push button Q push button. Q push button. And on our Q push button, what we need to do, we need to put a color first. So let us say color, and the color that we are going to put for the text, let us put a white color for the text. After putting a white color for the text, let us add a background color on the button, background minus color. We are going to put a background color blue. Okay, let's check this out. Let us check it out. Okay, so white color, even if you want to change this to white color, it's up to you, you can still do it. So we have changed the background color and the color for the font. Okay, then, and lastly, what we have added, it's our timer. Okay, it's our time. So we need to design, to style also our LCD. So let us go here on our Q timer. So on our Q timer, let us go here at the very end. Then let us say self.showTime, showTime dot set style sheet, and what we need to call is our LCD, which displays time. So we are going to say Q LCD number. Then what we need to first style is to put the color red on our text, on the date, on the hours, on the time. We're going to put a color red of our time, minutes, hours, and seconds. Then also what we need to do is to put a background color again of blue. So let us say background minus color. We are going to put a blue color. So blue here, just like that. Now we can check this out, run. Okay, then as you can see, we have successfully manipulated the background color of each and everything. We have learned how to use the set style sheet to manipulate the data for our GUI, or to style our GUI. I think this is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye bye.